Oh, Ginger, you took it down too fast. See right there, that's her blue mouse she likes to play with on a string. Oops, wrong way. You can get a close-up of our new carpet. Ooh, look at that Berber. It's nice and plush. It looks like popcorn. Whee! Look at the popcorn. Ooh. Okay, I'll stop that. This is everything put back together after the Great Flood. We had water about 4 or 5 inches deep in our house here in the basement. We were some of the lucky people. Other people lost their whole house, so